Albatrosses and their close relatives, the large petrels, are the world's greatest travelers. Unfortunately, these spectacular creatures are also one of the most highly threatened groups of birds in the world. In this study, entitled Global Political Responsibility for the Conservation of Albatrosses and Large Petrels, we describe the importance of political areas around the world for their conservation. By analyzing the movements of nearly 6,000 individual birds from across the world, we show that the migrations of these 39 species take them across the borders of numerous countries and into the high seas, areas beyond the jurisdiction of any single country. We quantified the amount of time they spend in each political area and found that nearly 40% of their time is spent in the high seas, highlighting the crucial importance of international waters for these fascinating animals. We also show the specific connections that the movements of these birds create between countries where they breed and other countries that they visit, as well as connections to the high seas, where these birds visit areas where responsible management of fishing activity is needed to reduce ongoing threats to them. This information provides a potential roadmap for improving international collaboration for the conservation of these threatened birds. This comes as the United Nations are discussing a global treaty for the sustainable use and conservation of biodiversity in the high seas. Our study provides a clear picture of the ways in which countries are connected to the high seas, as well as to one another, via the movements of ocean wanderers like albatrosses and large petrels.